Affiliate marketing involves promoting products or services and earning a commission for every sale or lead generated through your unique referral link. Selecting the right niche is crucial. Aim for a niche that balances your passion and market demand. Having a central hub like a website gives you credibility and control. Choose a domain that reflects your niche. Look for high-converting affiliate programs with good commission rates, like Amazon Associates for beginners. Content is the foundation of affiliate marketing. Focus on educating your audience. Types include blogs, videos, and newsletters. Traffic is key to earning commissions. Use strategies like SEO, paid ads, and social media marketing. To grow to 6 figures, maximize the number of clicks on your affiliate links. Use call to actions and track performance. Once you're earning consistently, scale by expanding content, hiring help, and exploring high-ticket offers. Affiliate marketing requires dedication. Stay updated and refine your strategy to succeed. Many successful affiliate marketers started from scratch, proving that perseverance and strategy lead to success.